Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 18th, 1917. Pouring oneself into the divine will and fusing oneself in Jesus forms beneficial dew over all creatures. And I was fusing myself in my sweet Jesus to be able to diffuse myself in all creatures and fuse them all in Jesus. And I kept flinging myself between the creatures and Jesus to prevent my beloved Jesus from being offended and creatures from being able to offend him. Now, while I was doing this, he told me,
"My daughter, as you pour yourself into my will and fuse yourself in me, a sun is formed in you. As you keep thinking, loving, repairing, etc., the rays are formed, and my will as background makes itself crown of these rays. And the sun is formed which, rising up in the air, melts into beneficial dew over all creatures. So the more you fuse yourself in me, the more suns you keep forming. Oh, how beautiful it is to see these suns which, rising and rising, remain circumfused within my own sun, and pour beneficial dew over all. How many graces do creatures not receive? I am so taken by this that as they fuse themselves, I pour abundant dew of all kinds of graces upon them, so that they can form greater suns, such that I may be able to pour more abundantly the beneficial dew over all."
and as I was fusing myself, I could feel light, love, graces being poured over my head.